Weidner, CrossFit Generation, lesson plan 3, homework number 3, intended stimulus. So today I'm going to break down the following WOD, which is workout 1, 4 rounds for time, 600-meter run, 10 squat snatches at 135 for the gentlemen, 95 for the ladies, and then 15 chest to bar pull-ups. So let's talk about the run. So our run for round 1 is probably going to take us anywhere between maybe 3 to 3.5 minutes. Let's call it 3 because we're feeling good, right? Kicking off the WOD, 3 minutes. All right. Then we move on to our squat snatches. Each squat snatch takes about 4 seconds to complete. All right. Touching and going, and even fast singles. All right. 4 seconds. So 10 of those is about 40 seconds. So we'll call it maybe 45 seconds to 1 minute. Okay. Chest to bar pull-ups, probably unbroken on the first set. So let's call that 2 seconds per to complete. All right, so that's gonna be about 30 seconds. Now we move on to round number 2. We've had a lot of interference there, high heart rate going into technical movement like squat snatch into a little bit more intermediate to advanced chest to bar pull-up for a CrossFit athlete. So we're a little tired. Let's call the next round 3.5 minutes for that run. We're a little bit tired, so let's add on a little bit to count for the fatigue for round number 2. We're still looking at 4 seconds of lift. So, but with fatigue and maybe taking a few breaks, we're probably looking at about maybe 1:15 to 1.5 minutes now. And then probably the chest to bars, again, 2 seconds again per lift or per movement, and maybe some breaks, maybe 45 seconds. Round number 2, or round number 3 rather, I'm gonna say that's probably roughly the same. I'm gonna go 3:30 on the run again, 4 seconds per lift again, and I'm gonna go 1:15 because we're feeling good, we're feeling the flow of the WOD, all right? And let's go 2 seconds again on the chest to bar, but now we're really breaking it down. I'm gonna go 1 minute here because of fatigue, and then round number 4, all right, we're gonna go into maybe a 3.5 yet again, maybe upwards of 4. All right, 4 seconds per lift again. And that's gonna be, I'll call that 1.5 minutes with all that fatigue. And then I got 2 seconds on the chest to bar. All right, and we'll call that 1 minute again because we're ending that workout. So if I add all of this up here, you're gonna look at a range of about maybe a 20 to 25 minute WOD for 4 rounds for time, 600-meter run, 10 squat snatch, and 15 chest to bar pull-ups.